Hey guys, what's up? This is Left PP here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install an adventure map on Minecraft for any version up to 1.7.5, which is the current update. You're going to want to search Minecraft adventure maps. You're going to want to scroll down, go to this one here. Just for example, I'm going to go for what's it called, map? The Lost Potato. Okay. You're gonna want to download the map. It doesn't matter if you don't have WinRAR, 7-zip, or anything like that. You can just drag the file into your saves folder. So on Windows 8, to get to your app data, you're gonna want to go to the side, search, type in percent app data percent. Then you go to Minecraft, saves. There's some apps I've previously installed, apart from the New World ones. You download this. And then I'm going to move the screen up. And yeah, so once that's downloaded, as mine's not downloading now. Okay, so like I said before, here percent app data percent rimming Minecraft saves. Here you're gonna drag it into here. Exit off that. Oh, by the way, if on Windows 7 there'll be a little thing here, you just type it in there. Or if the search thing won't work for your app data, go to search run, type in percent after percent and .minecraft, and yeah. Anyway, log into Minecraft. Okay, now your Minecraft is loaded up. Hold on, let me just save my resource. Yeah. Hang on a sec. Yeah, so you're gonna go to single player and the map we installed, parkour map. No, I think it was this one actually, yeah. And here we are. It might spawn you a little bit away from the spawn point of there, but don't really matter if you just walk back. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Before I go, I want to mention a server, StoneAgeKits.net. If you're a PvPer, you might want to try that out because they have their own kit PvP texture pack with low flames, edited items. It's quite good, yeah. So thanks guys for watching, and bye.